These are doctors promotions. Wacha niangalie. Unajua, I've not seen even one. Kana mnipe makaratasi ambayo yana okay. Ya, hawa ni madaktari. Ziko nyingi. Hao ni madaktari, clinicians wako hapa. Clinicians mko wapi? Wale ile timu yake iko Bwanchete. Timu yako iko hapa. Kwa hiyo barua ziko, wasiwe na wasiwasi. Where are they supposed to be picking them from?
From the respective office.
HR office. The chief officer. Nursing officers. Nutrition and what? Dietetics. Huyo lazima she's due. Radiographers, mko hapa? Medical lab, nani? Malaria. Yako iko hapa. Sio yako peke yako, ya watu wako. I hope kwamba huko hapo. Public health. Record officers. Hata record officer mlikuwa mna No. Kwanza hao usipowapea promotion ndio wanapiga kelele sana, madaktari hawajui kupiga kelele. I want to appreciate the board for good work, and DG, thank you for making sure that this one has come to pass. Good people, I want to live there. I want to urge you people. Let us be, there is nobody else who will fix our time. We must fix ourselves. There is no another person who has been given an opportunity to work except yourselves. Hata kama wewe ni driver, hata kama wewe ni mfagiaji hapo hospitalini, tafadhali, let us give our best. More services to this place. And we have put in a request. It's important to be noted that we are going to make sure some of the facilities they will be brought down, as we are putting for more money for another facility bigger than the other one. And the poster to create the regional hub for medical services. And I can assure you will be there. Though I want to mention this, there is a contractor. Are you part of the cancer center?
No, Your Excellency.
Is
the national government project?
No, but we are part of the team that is overseeing.
I'm not one of them.
Where is Dr. Kenani? Huyu mzee tumekutana na yeye kule. Nimeona hiyo kazi iendelee mzuri. And I had spoken to the president about that person. Na headquarters nimeona wakifunga.
Wako sawa.
Wako sawa?
Yeah, wako sawa.
Na you are smart.
Thank you.
Sasa. Najua wakati mwingine let us appreciate people. Good people want to live there. Congratulations for those ones who have been promoted to next grade. And we have said for those ones who got accelerated promotion, we will take you back to where you're supposed to be. Kuna mtu hapa anasema kama unajua kwamba uliruka one grade kwa sababu ya pesa yako ama kwa sababu ya kujiona na Simba, jua kwamba you are supposed to back where you are supposed to be. Let us be fair. No angels will come and guide us around. We must guide ourselves. And all of you have babies. Do you expect tomorrow kwa sababu mtu anajua Simba ndiye akwe promoted? No. What we have said, if, and this one is clear. Kama mtu najua kuna watu wako S, they are supposed to be in some position there. Tumesema lazima warudi mahali wanafaa kukua. Ukubalia watu wengine wafanye nini? Waendelee juu. With those many remarks, I want to leave it there. For who is in charge of ambulance?